In this video, I will show you how to schedule email in Gmail. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to schedule an email, so in other words, instead of sending it straight away, you can schedule it to be sent at a specific date and time, then the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click onto the message to reply, or alternatively, come up and click onto the compose button to compose a new message. After you've composed your message, what you want to do is come down to the send button down here at the bottom, and instead of clicking on send, you want to click onto the arrow next to send, which is going to bring up an option to schedule send. So what you need to do is give that a click, and once you've done that, a window is going to pop up with some recommended scheduled send times. So you can use any of the pre-generated times, or if you want to set your own date and time, just come and click onto pick date and time at the bottom. And what you can then do is proceed to select a date and time that you want the email to be sent. Once that's done and confirmed, just come down and click the schedule send button at the bottom. And as you can see in the bottom left hand corner, there's a confirmation of the send scheduled and when it's going to be sent. So that is how to schedule email in Gmail. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.